This super gorgeous lived-in smoky eye only takes 4 products to complete. It's great for beginners. If you want to try a smoky eye for the first time, let's do it together. This super gorgeous smoky eye is actually so much easier than you think. You need 2 eyeshadows, 1 eyeliner, 1 mascara. That's all you need. So first of all, start out with any color that you want. What I actually did was I went in with a almost like a black brown, like an espresso type of color, because literally that's what it looks like she's wearing on the top. It doesn't look like she has purple on the top, although it looks like she has a burgundy purple type of color on the bottom. And I love this style of smoky eye, so you have to be upfront with yourself when you're doing this type of smoky eye. It's messy. It looks lived in. It's not a perfected sort of look. It's not a glamorous sort of look. It's a very grungy punk sort of look. So we're going to take that espresso type of color just on a flat brush so we can have a bit more control. I have nothing on my eye. That is just my eye, my skin on my eye. I have no eye primer. Okay, and I'm just going to start by pressing it into where my lashes are and then just pulling it up. Again, remember, this is a bit more of a messy look. You don't have to be precise. You don't have to be too perfect. But having less is definitely more. You can always add more. So don't feel like you need to go in with just a black eyeshadow and just start going crazy. Like I said, it looks like she has this sort of color on the top. But it looks very lived in. It looks very almost like it's been faded out. So I just wanted to take 1 layer of this color and then just blend it out with my blending brush. Do you see? It just looks very muted now. And without dipping into the color anymore, just whatever's left on my brush, I just kind of went a little bit above as well, just to kind of give it a little bit more of that smoky feel. Now we're going to take our eyeliner. I'm using a black eyeliner. You can probably use a plum or a purple, even a dark brown, but the black I think is just easier, okay? I'm going to place it really close to my lashes. I'm gonna work in kind of little small sections. So first I'm gonna do this, all right? Just to make sure that I can blend it out as easy as possible. Blend, 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 blend. Blend, 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 blend. Just like that, okay? So you have a nice little base there. Don't worry if it's not perfect, but I want it to be a little bit darker, so I'm just gonna go over it just in the center, just a little bit more. Nice, very nice. Blend it out again. And look at that extra definition that we got just from that liner. If you think that this is smoky enough, put on your mascara and be done. You don't have to go underneath the eye. I think this is also a really, really beautiful and easy way to wear a smoky eye, especially for the holidays. This is kind of what I'm leading up to as well, because I think we're going to see a lot of smoky eyes this holiday, as we do every holiday. But, you don't have to do the traditional gold. That's why I really love this look. I just always love this look. Okay, and don't be afraid to use your fingertips. So if you feel like that's too much, just blend it out like this. I promise you, you're not going to mess up something that you can't fix. That's easy. It just looks a little bit more kind of natural. Natural smoky eye? Yes. Yes. Okay. So now we're going to add the burgundy of the purple at the bottom. I really wish you could see exactly how purple it was. I actually used this color here, and it looks stunning in person. Absolutely stunning. I really do try to make looks as easy as humanly possible, and I love using inspiration from celebrities, because you see those looks and you think they're unattainable, but truly you can get this look at home by yourself. Super easy, okay? So I'm going to take that purple color on this little flat brush. Sorry, I'm going to get closer here, and I'm just going to press it under my eye just like this. Press, 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 press. You can go as far as you want underneath the eye. You don't have to. And you also don't have to worry about if you think, oh my God, this color is so dark. What am I going to do? Don't worry. Take a little brush. I like this little smudgy brush. And I just go like this. And I just blend it. Keep blending it. Don't forget to blend it. Until it just looks a little bit softer. Oh, look at that. Look at what we have here. Looks amazing. Absolutely amazing. I'm going to take that purple color one more time, same exact brush, but this time I'm just going to place it over top of that black liner on the top because I want it to be a little bit more purpley plummy looking. So I'm just going to press it. You can see how fast I press it on there. You don't have to be perfect again. It's just going to stick to that black liner. Press it, press it, press, press. Just like that. That's it. You can take your little like smudgy brush thing again. Just go like this. Kind of blend it out so that it just all looks real seamless and cohesive. Let's add a black liner around in the waterline. That's it. You have completed the look. Bravo. And let me just show you how I tightline my waterline in case if you don't know how. You just take your same black eyeliner, have your chin down, looking straight into the mirror, and then you can just go like this. Super easy. Some people don't like to tightline their waterline. Don't do it if you don't like it. Don't worry if you think it's too smoky. You know, your eye will look just as smoky without it. But I just like to add this little something extra because then I know it's going to look like extra smoky, extra lived in. Yeah. Perfect to add. Just to give you that little extra pop. I also think it makes my eyes look longer instead of looking so round. Yeah, I love it. Liner is on, and I did a little bit of brows, so I just filled in my eyebrows just a tiny little bit with a super natural color because I just want to give definition, but I don't want my brows to steal the show from my eyes. So this is truly a representation of my personal style. I love a lived-in smoky eye. I love lived-in eye makeup in general because I just think it looks super effortless, super cool. You just look like you didn't try. You look extra confident. I love that so much. I love this eye. This is absolutely what I wore for so many years. So it has a special place in my heart. If you try this look, please let me know. If you're doing it for a special occasion or maybe for the holidays, or if you are just looking to try smoky eyes kind of for the first time and you stumble across this video, I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that it was easy enough for you to just throw it on and feel extra confident and feel like yourself. So if you try this look, please let me know maybe what your eye shape is, what your eye color is, what products you ended up using, and how you liked it. I really hope you enjoy. I know I feel so beautiful in this look. Oh, it's just so cool. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. Love ya.